Jai Shri Gurudev. Hello children, welcome to today's online art class. In today's class, let's learn how to draw a chick hatching out from its egg. So let's see how to do that. To begin with, let me draw the chick first. To draw the chick, I draw some zigzag lines on the head of the chick and I draw some curved lines to make its face. Children, please observe the picture carefully and try to draw the picture as shown. Now draw some curved line to complete his face. Now I draw some pointed lines to make its feather. I do the same on the other side. Now let me draw 3 oval shapes to make the eggs. The first egg, the second one from where the chick is hatched. Since the egg is broken, I just draw its broken part below. Please observe it and then do the drawing. Here I draw some zigzag lines to show that the egg is broken and the chick has hatched. Now let me draw the broken piece at the base. Now let me draw its eyes and mouth. To draw the eyes, just give some curved lines. Draw an oval shape on both the sides. Now cover it with a curved line and draw a small oval shape inside to make its eyeball. Now draw its beak. Once I have done with eyes and beak, I move upon decorating the eggs. This is just for extra detailing. You can just add some spots or some pattern on the egg. That our drawing is complete, let's see how to color it. First, let me color light blue for the first egg. First color the outline and then start filling the color inside very slowly and neatly. There should be no white gaps in between. Let me color the patterns with orange color. I use pink color to color the second egg. I first draw all the outline and then start filling the color. Please try to do the same, children. First mark the outline and then color the picture very neatly with pink and the pattern with light green shade. Coloring the picture is completely your choice. You can color it with your favorite colors as well. Next I move upon coloring the next egg using purple color. First draw the outline and then start filling the color. Once the color is completed, I move upon coloring the pattern using pink color. Now let's color the beak of the chick with red color. Color the eyes with light blue. Color the eyelids with black. Now color the broken shell with peach and pink shade. Last but not least, color the complete chick with yellow color. First mark the outline. See that the color doesn't come out of the picture. Do it very neatly and patiently. Once you have done with the outline, then start filling yellow color inside the picture. This completes our picture, children. Hope you learned how to draw a chick hatching out from its egg. I hope it was easy and you learned something new. Until I meet you next time with a new concept, take a very good care of your health and bye for now.